Ban pensuk ke kispa angot ki kena skul kathan ka Meghalaya Board of School Education embos kala ithu no ya ka Wapung Secondary School Wapung kum ka center ka bathamai na ka benta bantho ya ka examen SSLC. Kani ka jaka tho examen ka Wapung Secondary School Wapung ka hap hapo ka Wapung CNRD block kadi ka jingdawa ka bala upslam bha namar ki kena school ki bangat ha kani ka center ka bathamai menchwa ki hap banai tho examen sheduk cleariat batu ber. Ki school ki bangat tho examen ha kani ka center ka bathamai ki long ka Sokampor Secondary School Tia Chaprang Secondary School Sokampor Step by Step Secondary School Wapung Mukhep Secondary School but Wapung Secondary School Da ka jingsngok men halor kani ka jingyo center thamai ki bor penya jong ka school ha ka khatsan tarik risau kilapan long ka jingalang ka bakarpang ha ka ba UMDC ka than ma pasman dekhar ulalong kum ukong san ban pli ya umau nong rim ha ka jingdon lang USDO cleariat u Aditya Verma IAS na lor ki wei Uma pasman dekhar ha ka jingkren ula pertu ye ki riurang ba jong ka shnong Wapung kumju ka school managing committee ba what happening ki jing e Henry ki treshi tom na ka benta ki khon ka than na du ki snam ki balalet no ha ka ba kila prat anti bat penyat ha ka rukom ka badai ban penyo ya ka ni ka center ka jingdon jong ka ni ka center kan pensuk bat weng ya ka jing khuslai ka bakrau jong ki khna school bat ki kimi ki kepala ong uma pasman dekhar bat benrap bah ki snam ki balalet no ki khna ki sham jing e ban poi beng por sha ka jaka tho exam namar ki ha ban mat ya ka jing dheng kali
Hosket how poi hanu kadi ski jing nalti dem tau yo igen center kamana khna ki wa klama khadonga e kuplay ya ki wa he wa sien dong I yo ma chong ma thau wa the line ti naga por chagwi ka por naga stem chagwi stem naga med chagwi med lal ti gi de bantha ubniyo ya ga med center hading chong yong I hosket miulen yang dikreasi termongki Henry hepor yongki taman wadang bon gidang chatut bon gi kam gi jam umjuk membaik ko Henry tang ngor IQ nang ba jing nan yongki egi yang gi kadni persen SMC wakadni de egi yang gi khakti khakja yongki priyogi ki wagidi ki wakate yunang bon tigi hosket uyo yang di center untuk wasuk bon bhagate bojam bon bhagate ga kelum duki ka ni duki yu twat yu poi hanu di benta hanu di kliman uyo di center hendai ngai le pi de tipi yang history yang to ini te sakwile jing yo yang center hadin shnong pensuko yang kathan HD kamtam kichnong emma yang shnong ni do shnong pabra kamai do shnong para bai slu shnong mukhep yang galo Sokampor kichnong wa pero macam ini da pensuko yang kon yogi ulai tho mitrik hosket hapai chagasnem Benchua bon bahagi kena skor mana tham tigi cekliret duki mat jaga blok duki mat jaga sagari senti bon gida wa mamyo upoi hasintar ubeng por sa exam ni daw ai tigi blok andre katewan ngai lewa jing yo yang ni sentar hanya upong skor tapi suka yang prajan sedang banyak tahu tapi suka jaga kam ke jam ulai uwan tapi suka le yang bagi pa wamnde tension gi konif tiongki dementa ulai kam tiki kongi deba sistem last score konoki rewti gi ande mana po ada sti utwa exam menyo imat develop kat nu thang mesin gi dan ketika emerson tarata ini War no ite. Kulit war suko ipi. Sakuwile. Wa jadi kita wali center. Ong ipi ngakap MBC. Jadi kita wali nanti yang wali center. Wali SMC. Hosket. Newland. Any intervention. Now Minister Anwar Islami jing to ini bukan ika macam itu tandai sedang ngoyo blai pada AUE kita lat nanti wakam pada ang nor ki wa he wani majangi wakam da ang nor ki wa waki SMC yang ikat ni kita chong song yang ikat ni blai mbedo tandai AUE lat nanti uyot yang ni yang kena sentar kan liang ayok di por ukit bok liang jaga skor jaga Wapung Secondary School wa gani center upun sukor yang kita tahu macam gani center penmigo yang klor wa mustaban gawi wan ra yang nam keburam hapok ke distrik hapok ke state Meghalaya umiyami wan ragi yang nam keburam untuk do he privacy untuk do he doctor engineer he jo ipol le sports he jo ke le academics. And my message to the students today is please work hard, please focus on your books, please focus on your life. Take care of your deeds and actions. Take care of your thoughts, because for your thoughts will turn into action. Take care of your action, for your action will turn into your habits. Take care of your habits, for your habits will turn into your character. And please take care of your character, for your character will be your destiny. This is my message to all the students. Please take good care of yourself, study hard, and may God bless you, and may God bless all of us present here today. So take the best of what you can, and may you soar higher and higher. May God bless all of you. Thank you so much.
Kiwede kibala ajing keren kilong USDO Kleriat Aditya Verma IAS, Mao Sumer SDEO East Giant Hills District, Waheshnong Ma Posling Dakar, Bat Kajing Pule History Jongka School, Naka Kong Kenti Lang Dakar Headmistress Jongka School, Nalor Kiwe Haka Jingalang, Kabala Penyat Da Uma SED Rambai. Haka ni kaju kasngila pun ko buram ru ya kisaw sangut ki kena ki bala pendep ya examen SSLC but HSSLC. Lapun pu pen pieng ya ni kasngi da ka jingshal but jingruai na ki kena jong ka school. Ya ka jingalang lapun kut da ki kentien kublay na uma Grateful Son Siang Shai, Secretary School Managing Committee.
Now I want to pose you a question, and the question is, do you guys know what you want to become? After 5 years or 10 years, in what field would you be? Do you have a clear idea? If you have, then it's very good. Because when I was your age, I did not have any idea what I wanted to become in my life. And it takes time to figure out what do you want to do in your life. So I would like you to remind that take your time. Take your time in deciding what you want to do. It does not mean that you want to do stuff in studying only. You can be anything. You can pursue music, you can pursue dance, you can pursue acting, any field that you choose. You can be a scientist. But the important thing is, give your thought and decide what you want to become. If you want to become a doctor or an engineer or a teacher, every profession is noble. There is no profession less or more. But the point is, decide. And then when you decide what you want to become, put all of your energy in that. All your energy. Don't leave any stones unturned. whatever time you have, whatever resources you have, there is no poor or rich thing if you have your dreams set. Believe in yourself. How many of you have you seen Naruto? It is an anime, and its basic motto line is that have believe in yourself. Although it is a cartoon, but it is a very, very powerful message. And when you have believe in yourself, then every door opens. I was just seeing some of you were laughing when some of the students were performing the very good dance that they did and the singing that they did. It's very easy to laugh from sitting there in the chairs, and because it's a very comfortable space. But when you come here, when you dance, when you speak, it's a difficult position to put you in because it is an uncomfortable zone. And in life, if you want to become a diamond, you have to take the heat. You have to become something, then you have to be in uncomfortable zone. And when you are there, when you expose yourself to the heat, then you become powerful. And then only you can present to the world what kind of diamond you are. Don't be in the comfort zone. It's fine to relax, it's fine to enjoy your life. But at the same time, you should know when you have to be serious. Don't waste this time. Nobody gets these resources and opportunities. You have it in your hand, and you can simply write your destiny with that. So put all of you, whatever you have at your disposal, itni mehnat kariye, itna put the labor into it, and the desired results will be in your hands. Okay? Chalo. Kublai Shibul. Thank you so much.
MDC na por na penyu I lar kulti ha ganu thawo yu lai ha ganu thawo psa I khnang wo yo pen urlong ya gani ga SSLC center yang I ni chno tare yu le dorba chno madawan director sini da ong I kita em kam dorba chno ne daga jing kre lang we SMC da bon gi benta wa ka da man go kam ga sponsoring body nam ta gani school de rap o pen chna pen met pen bahaya gani school hadu man go kamu man go te aw gi jing se komen go kro ba ga te sni da ong yi na le nga de yu bit de yu byang phau e ya ga center ga ni school ang pi am te malum mala da ong yi hap yu pen chna pen le pen dun hawa hanin kam da yu ya ga ni ka compound na du gi wall ni te da le upa MDC bat ini da le da ga dorba snong bat da yu ga building le da pen MDC yang gi bar kam ju le ya gi pain khana nam tai khana school ada ta haga arpavitrik August arjar arpso da yo ya ga notification order wa ong wa ya ga ni ga Wapung Secondary School da ye no wo peman ya ka kam gawi na ga center wo thom trik hapo